Let's begin. The first step is to design a chassis. The electronic components are mounted on this frame. Then we add the electronics and battery. Now, the propulsion system. On this model, built-in propeller guards are included for safer flight. Our design is naturally inspired by the beauty of nature. Making a few changes to this beautiful bird, we arrive at the aircraft hull design. Using computer-aided design and a precision 3D printer, the bird comes to life. And with the grace of a hummingbird, it takes flight.